A4 sheet paper and a scale. Fold the paper like this. Take the scissors and cut it on the line. We don't need that piece of paper, keep aside. Open the paper and fold it in half. Open it up and turn it around and fold it in half. And open it up and fold it like in half after turning it. And then push it like this. It shouldn't come like this in the bottom, so you have to fix it up, and now you have to do it. Now fold it up, turn it around and fold it like this. And then take the top and fold it down. Open it up and open it like this. You see these lines? You see these lines? You have to fold it on the line. On the line like this. And then do it in both sides. Do it in the other side. Open it up and fold it on the line. And fold this edge to like this. Do it for both sides, back side and the front side, and right and left. Now fold it backwards like this. Do it for the same for the other side. You have to do it properly. If it's broken, try to fix it or just leave it and start doing. Now open the wings. You have to press it nicely. To learn with Pikku, like and subscribe and share.